How to sell crypto on Webull. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Mesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Webull. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, however you'll have to have the idea of how you can do so. So let me guide you through. First, you want to open Webull. Now I don't own any crypto, but I'll just be guiding you through. You want to head into your portfolio there, and what you want to do is you want to head into your assets. Under your assets you'll find the bitcoins or the crypto, sorry, that you own, right? Suppose Bitcoin and Ethereum, suppose, and you want to simply tap on it there, and there you'll get this sell option on the assets that you tap on the particular crypto that you own. You'll get the sell option. You can tap on sell and go through certain prompts, add in the value and such, the amount and such, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily sell crypto on Webull. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.